Alright, today we are going to talk about how to make text appear past a moving subject, whether it's a car, a human body, a frisbee, whatever it is. Let's jump in there and see how we make this possible. Alright, so we got our footage here. Scrub through it a little bit to see where things wind up at. And I see a great place where I want to add my text, so I'm just going to click here. You can write anything that you want. I'm going to put subscribe. I'm going to put subscribe properly because I would like more people to subscribe to my channel. So hit that subscribe button. We're going to bring it over here a little bit, and then we're going to position it in between these two bricks. And the reason why I'm going to do this like this is if I scrub forward, my hands come up. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and, so if you go over here to the effects controls, you got all kinds of stuff. You got your text, you got your fonts, the dimensions between each letter. You can make it wider in between. The color of your text, fill the stroke around the text. You got your position, your scales. You can rotate the text. You can have it rotated come in. The opacity is, the bright and darkness of it. And so then we're just going to go back up here to this little pen tool. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in 75%. And I'm going to create a text. So if you get something like this, all you have to do is hit Control or Command Z, and it'll take it away. And then I'm going to just take it off screen. Just something simple, boom, and connect them just like that. And then and then after that, we're going to hit the little time watches here, all of them, and then we're going to click Invert. It'll take it away, click mask, and then we're going to start masking. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're going to start bringing this mask in with us. Now the reason why I took the mask off screen was so I can keep the mask going off screen. And then we just bring the text with us. You want to keep the same amount of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the letters will start appearing. Here they come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you do this all the way to the end until your mask is done. And I'm just going to hurry up and finish this real quick. I'm going to speed ramp this part so you guys don't get bored of me. Now, I'm a little out of focus, and that's alright because we just want the text, we don't want me. So being out of focus is pretty good. So that's how you mask it right there. Now, we're going to go and rezoom it back out to fit screen. The mask came off. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to click out of that. This button right here will go to the beginning of the track. We're going to play it and see how the mask came out. Looks pretty good, not too bad. So as I want it to where it stays to where I am out of frame. So if I go back, I'll go forward one more. Boom, just like that. And that's great. That's how you make text appear with a moving subject, whether it's a car or whatever you want. Alright, and that's how you make text appear from a moving subject. So if I'm moving this way and I want text to appear behind me, you do it just like that. You mask it. That's all it is. There's a lot of masking involved in editing, whether you're doing photography or whether you're doing cinematography or whatever you're doing. So that's how you do it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and if you want to get more advanced with this, because this was basic, drop a comment. let me know, because we are going to continue to grow. So that's how you make text appear. Peace.